Introduction to console output.
Displaying text on the screen is often the first thing you learn in programming. Console output lets you see results, debug your code, and interact with users. Let's explore how to print messages in 3 popular programming languages: Python, Java, and C++. These examples will show the basic syntax and help you get comfortable with output commands.
Printing text in Python.
In Python, printing text is simple. Use the built-in print function followed by the text you want to display in quotes. For example, print hello world. This statement prints hello world to the console. No need for semicolons or special headers, making it great for beginners.
Printing text in Java.
In Java, you use system.out.println to print text and move to a new line. Here's an example. System.out.println hello world. The statement is inside a class and main method. Don't forget the semicolon at the end. Java's syntax is more structured, requiring explicit classes and methods.
Printing text in C++.
Capital K uses the count object from the iStream library to print text. Hello world, endel. You'll notice the use of angle brackets and endel to end the line. C++ requires including headers and namespaces.
Comparing output syntax.
Each language has its own style. Python, easy and concise, just print it. Java, structured, using system.out.println within specific methods. C++ uses cout with stream operators and includes extra setup. Understanding these basics helps you quickly get started with output commands in new programming languages.